Hi there, welcome to tip number 4 of my lymph flow exercises, your self-help techniques that you can use yourself on your own hands. So we've done video 1, we did upper lymphatics, video 2 we did lower lymphatics, video 3 we did pain relief. So video 4, I'm going to give you 2 more, video 4 and video 5. So video 4 we are going to deal with circulation. And we deal with circulation because we want to boost the blood supply in the system. The blood supply, in turn, the circulation in the blood supply then boosts lymphatic performance. So we want to try and do all we can to get our lymph performing really well. Blood plasma contains white blood cells, and some of those white blood cells are your immunity cells, so your bacteria fighting cells. So, you know, without having the blood and the blood vessels and the blood supply, you don't have a lymph supply. So that's where the lymph is drawn from. It's drawn from the blood supply. Yes, so that's kind of, in simple terms, what that's all about. So what we need to do is circulation. So circulation, we're talking about your heart pumping. In order for your heart to pump, you need to be breathing, and everything needs to be working well. You need oxygen into your system, which is great for your blood supply. In fact, vital for your blood supply is oxygen, of course. So I'm going to give you a couple of techniques. So in terms of where your heart is on your hands, the heart, because it's kind of almost sort of center left of your body, of your chest, it's more apparent, or it's situated to a greater degree on your left palm. So let's just take my palm. We have this area here is what's known in reflexology terms as the shoulder zone, and then this area here, right slap bang in the middle of your palm, almost where your palm dips if you bend your hand like this, is your waistline. So if you think about your body, your heart is between your shoulders and your waistline, so it's kind of in this area here, runs all the way across this area here. So what we want to do is we want to gently, nice and gently, we want to boost the circulation system by applying some pressure to the heart reflex. Now, before I do this, I will say, if you've got a heart complaint, if you've got high blood pressure, if you've got any sort of issues with your heart and cardiovascular system, or you've not got a diagnosis and you're out of breath, and you're not feeling very well, you've got to go and see your medical practitioner first. Reflexologists won't and shouldn't, a certified reflexologist that is, will not treat somebody with high blood pressure or has any sort of treatment, surgery of the heart, for obvious reasons. We don't want to do any damage or not necessarily do any damage, but just cause any upset or influence what is going on via your GP or your medical practitioner. So if you've got any heart issues, got any circulation issues, any breathing, cardiovascular issues, go and see and get signed off by your medical practitioner first. So with all that said, you've got great blood pressure, no problems, you're all fit and well, then you just want to boost your circulation, keep yourself warm, improve your blood supply, and in turn boost your lymphatic system. Then we use this heart reflex, which is part of a full reflexology routine. So what we want to do, this one's a little bit more difficult for me to show you, so I'm going to turn slightly, so pardon my nose. We are just going to do what's known as what I would call diagonal movements across that part of the palm of the hand, all the way up to sort of the fourth digit, but third finger. And we just run up there from middle to top and do that 3 times. Like that. And as I say, most of the heart is on the left hand because it's centre left of your body. But for this side, we would just do exactly the same placement in the area of the hand, but we would just maybe work certainly the first area and maybe up to the second. I'm not doing that any harm. Okay, so that's heart. So we should really do lungs as well, for all the reasons that we've mentioned. So the lungs, because it's the chest area, it's in the same area as the heart, but just to a greater extent, larger area of the palms of the hands. So you can do the heart on its own, or you can incorporate the heart and lungs together, and you would do the same sort of scenario, but you would run all the way along. And then with the thumb, come back the other way. And then exactly the same routine on this side. So run up with the finger. And then back with the thumb in a diagonal situation. There we go. So that is heart and lung reflexes. Okay, give those a go, drink your water, nice deep breathing whilst you do it, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you've got any questions, just let me know, and I'll see you on the 5th video. Take care, bye bye.